Hello, this is Kevin Myers with the TJ Snow Company. Today we're going to be doing a basic overview on the weld control, the TE-470 on a TECNA weld gun. TECNA guns sold by TJ Snow featuring the TE-470 weld control include the optional 4-position program selector switch. This switch allows you to select one of 4 pre-programmed weld programs. The 4 programs are assigned in the setup menu. This feature can be helpful when multiple setups are required. In order to unlock the program, you must press the up and down arrow key at the same time. No other changes can be made unless you do so. Push the 2 buttons in, it unlocks, then you can make plus or minus adjustments. The 33 series guns come with a stroke selector lever. The lever provides a long and a short stroke option. On the TE-470 and TE-300 series control handles, you'll notice there are 3 buttons. You have a grip safety right here, your main trigger button right here, and this button is actually a hold in place button. If you have the control set for long stroke and the electrodes are farthest apart, it helps in aiming to make a good accurate weld. You simply push the button, then initiate, and it holds the gun in position under weld force until you release the button. Then it will weld and pass current and return as normal. At any time you don't want to do that, you just mash the button and initiate, and it welds as desired. You'll notice on this side of the control we have these icons right here on the side. And they show you in real time what valves are activated. Again, if we push the weld hold in position place, the light comes on. Now I'm holding all 3. As soon as you release the part hold button, it passes current, completes the weld cycle. This helps a lot if you have troubleshooting problems and such. On the TE-300 control, you'll notice there's a lot of similarities between the 2. One thing you'll notice is the thumb switch. You have a 2-position schedule selector switch that are preset. On the TE-470, you can have this type as well as the 4-position knob style switch. On the 300 series, you'll notice we have the up and down arrow keys that unlock the same way as the 470. You have in real time all the icons that will be highlighted as you're running the schedule. The schedules are made the same way, plus or minus here. Your weld, no weld is here. In this screen, you'll notice the current schedule that you selected. It'll be preset 1 or preset 2. The TE-470 features LCD display, 63 programs. 4 programs can be selected by the optional rotary switch, 22 parameters per program, constant current and pulse width, high and low current limits, parts counter, stepper, weld and no weld buttons, and single or automatic cycle. The TE-300 features dual character display, 2 programs selectable via a gun handle toggle switch, 11 parameters per program, weld no weld button, and single or automatic mode. On the display screen of the TE-470, you'll notice you have this message board here that scrolls. Whenever you're actually welding, the screen stays in position, and you notice information like program 1, 2,178 welds, 85% phase shift, 3.5 cycles on this last weld, and it was 8,220,000 amps. On the back portion of the gun, you'll notice these 2 brass adjustment screws. These are actually flow control valve settings for your gun stroke itself. Each one represents the gun extending or the gun retracting. It's very easily adjustments are made. By screwing it in, restricts the flow of air, leaving whichever side of the cylinder. For more information on all of our TECNA gun assemblies, look us up on the web at tjsnow.com.